Hello everyone, welcome to How To channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get threads badge on your Instagram. Now guys, first thing I'm going to go over to my Instagram. Now I'm going to click on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now guys, as you can see on my bio, there is no threads badge on this bio. Now guys, I'll go over to the three lines over here, and then I'm going to go over to threads, and then as you can see, it brings me over to where I can log in with my Instagram. Now I'm just going to tap on that login with the Instagram. Now guys, as you can see, it's asking me for my name, my bio, and then guys, I'm just going to be tapping import from Instagram because I just want everything on my Instagram on my thread. So I'm going to continue the process, and then I'm going to put this on public profile, but you can do private if you want. It's going to ask if you want to follow people. You can decide to follow all, but I'm just going to skip, and then I'll tap on join threads. And then guys, as you can see, I have my thread account here for that Instagram profile. Now all I need to do is just to tap on the Instagram icon at the top right hand corner of this screen. So guys, as you can see, our threads badge is already on our Instagram, and it's very simple how you can get your threads badge on Instagram. Now guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to How To channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.